To enjoy success in life, you must know when you arrive at the destination you call success. Unfortunately, many men just flow through life and drift along without serious thought to what they want or where they want to go, much less how to reach a desirable destination. However, a man should have a clear vision before he begins his journey to the mountaintop of success. So what do you want to do with the rest of your life? Do you want to start a new career, go back to college, get married, buy a new house, start a new business, or start a new exercise program to improve your health? Knowing this can help you make better decisions and avoid pitfalls that could waste time and money. So decide what you want to do and begin thinking of ways to make your vision become a reality. Be sure to choose something that you really want to achieve. Avoid the pitfall of pursuing a goal to impress friends or gain the approval of your family. Even though friends and family may offer valuable advice and you may benefit from their knowledge and experience, your vision must be tailored to fit your interests. If relocation is necessary to pursue your dreams, don't be afraid to relocate to pursue your career goals. If you have educated yourself, saved enough money to secure housing and food, made the necessary contacts, don't be afraid to relocate to a new city where your skills and talents will be appreciated and rewarded. One of the boldest examples of faith in the Bible is found in Genesis 12, verses 1 through 4. In this account, God challenged Abram to leave his homeland to receive a special blessing. After Abram took a leap of faith and left his homeland, he fulfilled his destiny and changed the world. Relocation was also a key factor in rejuvenating the career of a prophet named Elijah. Before Elijah relocated, he was depressed and discouraged, and his career was in limbo. However, after he relocated, his career was rejuvenated as he traveled through new cities and towns. You can read about Elijah in 1 Kings, chapter 19. The life of Abram and the life of Elijah highlight some of the benefits they enjoyed after starting over in another city. So don't let the fear of change hinder your progress. If you're unemployed in the city where you currently live, relocation may be a smart move to improve your chances of finding a new job. In other words, if you can't find a job where you are, consider going where there are job vacancies and men are being hired. If you have specific skills and experience, consider a place where your skills will be appreciated. This could work to your advantage, because employers are usually more interested in hiring applicants who can make an immediate impact on corporate profits than hiring applicants who will require weeks or months of training before they become productive. This personal development tip is an excerpt from the book, Manhood Challenge, by Dr. David Stevens.